guys, welcome back to Fresh OB. In today's video, we'll talk about one more latest off-campus placement opportunity from Zensa. So in this video, we'll discuss about the company profile, the job role, the job location, the experience required, the skills, the work location, about the eligibility criteria. So we'll discuss all these things in a detailed manner. So please don't skip the video in between and watch the video till the end, so that you can get a complete idea over this placement drive from Zensa. So let's begin. So Zensa is conducting a virtual off-campus recruitment drive for entry-level trained and certified professionals for digital cloud foundation services. And very firstly, we'll talk about the company profile. So Zensa is a leading digital solutions and technology services company that specializes in partnering with global organizations across industries on their digital transformation journey. A technology partner of choice backed by a strong track record of innovation, credible investment in digital solutions, and unwavering commitments to client success. Zensa's comprehensive range of digital and technology services and solutions enables its clients achieve new thresholds of business performance. So I will provide the link for the same in the description box of the video. So there you can go and visit that link and read all this company profile related information once again. And through that link only you can apply for this opportunity from Zensa. So I will discuss all the things like how one can apply for the same. So let's go one by one. So talking about the job position, so they are looking for an entry-level trained / certified professionals on any of the following skills. So they have mentioned here some skills. So based on that skills they are hiring associates. So the experience required is 0 to 2 years. That means all the 2020 and 2019 batch students are eligible for this opportunity. And talking about the skills, they have mentioned skills such as network security, DBA, Oracle, SQL, Service Desk, Linux, Windows, VMware, VoIP, Service Desk monitoring, and Microsoft products, scripting, and cloud. So these are the skills they have mentioned here. Talking about the work location, so work from anywhere, Pan India or Zensa's client location as per business requirements. So further talking about the eligibility criteria. So all the BE and BTech holders in computer science, information technology or MCA pass outs in the educational year such as 2019 and 2020 are eligible only. And second eligibility criteria is an applicant must have scored a minimum of 60% throughout academics, and a candidate should have valid training certificate at the time of appearing for online assessments. And as we cater to global clients that may operate on 24/7 basis, associates may be required to work a non-standard hours, flexible to work on any skills, technology domain, job profile as per the business requirements, and immediate joiners will be preferred for all the roles. And the CTC they are providing is of a 2.5 LPA. So next they have elaborated the skills they already mentioned in a detailed manner. So we'll go through all the skills one by one. So the very first skills was Windows. In Windows they have mentioned knowledge of Windows OS, DNS, DHCP, TCP/IP, user management, installation, configuration of OS, basic networking, and PowerShell scripting. So these are the basic things they are expecting from their candidates in Windows skill section. And further talking about the Linux and Unix, so knowledge of different Unix and Linux operating system versions and flavors, file system, file permissions, user management, OS audit, LVMs, package management, application installation on Linux platform, shell scripting. And talking about the DBMS, that is database, so knowledge of MySQL, Oracle, MS SQL DB, creation, deletion, updation of tables and database, DB backup and restoration. And talking about the networking, knowledge of network topologies, network protocol including TCP, IP addressing, subnetting, networking devices like routers, switch, firewall, wireless networking. And in VMware and cloud section, knowledge of VMware, MS Azure, AWS, VMware components and architecture, virtual networking, AWS services like EC2, S3, VPC, ALB, EBS, IAM, services like VM, VNet, Blob and Azure AD. So these are the things they have mentioned here in the essential skills section. And here they have mentioned instruction here like interested and suitable candidates apply online for Zensa virtual off-campus drive by clicking the register now button, and shortlisted candidates will receive an email invite for further process. So if you are willing to apply for this opportunity from Zensar, so very firstly just go to that link I have already mentioned in the description box and read all this information once again in a detail. And after that, if you are willing to apply, you can just click here on the register now button. Here you can see. So after clicking here, you will have to if you already have an account here on Zensa, then just log in. And if you are new to Zensa, then you will have to first sign up by filling information such as your names, your email ID, your mobile number and creating a password. So create an account here if you don't already have an account. So I will also show after logging in how you can just fill all the form and apply to this opportunity. Signing in your newly created account or already existed account, just you can see a page like this which you can see on your screen right now. So here you have to mention your date of birth, your email ID, your first name, last name, your gender, your mobile number, then your current and permanent addresses, and after that fill all the academic details of your 10th year, passing year, and about your scores, your diploma, about the bachelor's degree, and if you have done any kind of post graduation, then you have to fill information related to that. And for the training details, if you have undertaken any kind of technical training, so you can fill information related to that here. And you have to fill your PAN number, about project details. So these are the all things you must fill in the registration form for applying for this opportunity. So by filling all this information and so once you are done with filling all this information in the registration form, just click here on the save and submit my profile button. So by clicking here you can, so after filling all this information in the registration form, just click here on the save and submit profile. So in this way you have applied for this opportunity from Zensa. So once you submit your, so after this they will shortlist the students and they will send mails to all the shortlisted students only about the further assessment process. So in this way we have seen complete process of applying to Zensar, and we also saw all the information related to this opportunity. So I come up with this kind of opportunities on a regular basis, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share this video with your fellow friends who are looking for good opportunities. And if you come across any type of queries, please don't forget to mention all the queries in the comment section below. I will reply to all the queries ASAP, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.